Welcome to Belmont Machinery Company. Today we'll be doing a demonstration of this 25-inch by 120 Kingston engine lathe. That's a model HR3000. Got 26-inch swing over your bed, 4 1/8 inch spindle through hole. It's a gap, taper attachment, inch and metric threading, quick change tool post, power rapid traverse. Machine does have a 2-axis Newell DP7 readout. It's 10 foot between centers. It's your thread dial, and we're gonna run her for you. So this will be 122 RPM. Feeding the cross slide out. You can see on the lead out there. And we're going to reverse. Going back in. Rapid traverse. Traverse. We'll go into the high range with the 426 RPM. Speed tailstock. Steady rest. Chip pans. They're not here, but we do have them. That concludes our video demonstration. This machine can be inspected under power here in Aurora, Illinois. Thank you for watching our video.